Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we'll learn 10th Standard Social Science chapter Indian Foreign Policy. Now, the answers. Question is, what is foreign policy? Answer, the policy adopted by a nation while dealing with other nation. Indian foreign policy is when India is dealing with other nations, it maintains or it adopts a policy. So that is Indian foreign policy. What do you mean by a sovereign country? The country which is not under any other country's control, either for internal or external issues. Who was an architect of India's foreign policy? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who signed the Panchashila Principles? Jawaharlal Nehru, India, and Zhou Enlai, China. What is meant by non-alignment policy? Functioning independently without joining any power blocks. What do you mean by imperialism? A sovereign country to take over another sovereign country with the intention of ruling it for its personal gains. What is apartheid? An attempt by a race or a people to subjugate another race. Who is called as African Gandhi? Nelson Mandela is called African Gandhi. What is disarmament? The process of elimination of a specific arms step by step. Which article of the Indian Constitution advocates for a foreign policy? Article 51. When Jawaharlal Nehru gave a radio speech about foreign policy for the first time, September 7, 1946, in which conferences of India declared no corner of a world shall have imperialism. In New Delhi, 1949 and Bandar, 1955. Answer the following questions in 2 or 4 sentences. What are the aims of India's foreign policy? National security, encouraging national economy, spreading the cultural richness of our country, increasing the number of friendly countries, achieving world peace and coexistence. Which are the basic aspects of India's foreign policy? Panchashila principles, non-aligned movement, anti-imperialism, anti-apartheid policy, disarmament. How does foreign policy aid a country to development? Promotes foreign relationships, encourages foreign exchange, technical exchange, promotes trade, develops domestic market, foreign direct investment, FDI. What are the Panchashila principles? Non-invention of each other, mutual cooperation and respect, peaceful coexistence, respecting each other's sovereignty and regional interests. Why does India oppose imperialism? Against to democratic system, affects the sovereignty, exploits resources, against human rights. Why does India advocate disarmament as the need of the world? Reduces the arms races, maintain peace in the world, to reduce fear of a nuclear war, to prevent third world war. India is a peace-loving country. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.